Hey everyone, I'm Frank from UPDF. If you send final PDFs, you probably don't want anybody changing your text or your form fields. In this video, I'll show you 4 practical ways to protect your PDFs by using UPDF. Click on the link in the description below, download UPDF, and follow me step by step to make your PDFs non-editable. UPDF for Windows offers a simple print as image option that turns your PDF pages into image content. It helps to stop people from selecting and editing the original text inside your PDF file. Follow the steps with me to see how you can lock your PDF using UPDF. When you open UPDF, you'll need to import your PDF. To do that, press the Open File option, then select your PDF to import it. Next, access the Print option right here, or you can simply press the Control-P keys on your computer in order to get to the print interface. On the print window, choose the Microsoft Print to PDF option and check the Print as Image option. Next, you'll need to adjust the paper size, the orientation, and the page range that you'd like to print. Once done, press the Print button and choose the location for the PDF image. For multiple PDFs, you can also print multiple PDFs into a single image or multiple images. Let's have a look at how that's done. On the home page, click the Tools option and press the Print option for batch prints. Next, import the PDFs by clicking the Add Files button. Once done, press the Print button right here. After that, you'll repeat the same process, and if you want to place more than one PDF page on an image, simply choose the Multiple tab and enter the layout that you want. Then simply press the Print button. UPDF Windows and Mac applications offer a permissions password that controls editing, copying, and printing in your file. This feature helps you share PDFs that people can open, but they can't freely change without your approval. If you'd like to lock a file before sharing it, see what I do right here. First, access the PDF saving options and click the Protect Using Password option. After that, you'll need to press the Add button under Permissions Password section. Next, enter the new password in both text boxes and choose the Not Allowed option under the Printing and Changes section. Once that's done, press the Save button and choose the location to save your new PDF. You'll then share this new protected files with others. They'll be able to look at the PDF, but they won't be able to make changes. Next, let's look at how we can protect more than one PDF with permissions in one simple workflow. Let's take a look at how we can do this. On the home page, access the Tools and click the Encrypt option. Now, import your PDF files by pressing the Add Files options. Next, click the Add button in the Permissions Password section. Now, repeat the same process that we did for a single PDF and save the protected PDF copy for sharing. With UPDF for Mac, you can also use another method to encrypt one or multiple PDF files. Let's see how we do that. Once you open a PDF, access the Print feature right here, or you can press Command-P keys in order to get to the print features. Then press the PDF button at the bottom and choose the security options in order to access the security features. After you've done that, tick both options and enter a new password in both of the password boxes. Now, save a protected copy of the PDF file. Nobody will be able to print or make changes to this PDF now. Now, if you have a set of multiple PDFs, let's see how we can do this on our Mac. First, in the Tools section, click the Print option under the Batch PDFs category. After that, you need to import your PDFs by clicking the Add Files option, then press the Print option to access the printing interface. Now follow the same process that we did for a single PDF and save a copy of the protected PDF. This way, again, no one will be able to edit or print or set that set of PDFs without the permission password. Both the UPDF Windows and Mac application also allows you to flatten a PDF. This will make your PDF forms, comments, and stamps stay visible, but they'll be no longer directly editable. So see the steps in this following dialog where I'll show you how you can lock these elements onto a page by flattening. First, in the saving option, click the Save as Flatten option. Next, you'll select the elements that you want to flatten on your PDF. In this case, I'll select all of the elements. This will make the PDF elements flatten, and no one can then edit them afterwards. Once that's done, press the Save As button and choose the location to save these flattened PDFs. The last and safest method is converting your PDF into images, so nobody can casually edit it. With UPDF, you can export pages as image files on both your desktop and your phone. First, we'll have a look at how we can turn every page in your PDF into a separate image file. So follow the steps here and you'll see how we can use UPDF Desktop to export your document as locked images. After opening a PDF in UPDF, press the Tools option and click the image type under the PDF converter section. Next, you'll need to select the image format that you'd like to convert to, choose the PDF page range that you want to convert, and select whether you want to combine all the pages into an image or make separate images of each page. Once that's done, press the Apply button and save the image version of your PDF. For mobile users, UPDF Mobile also offers PDF conversion into image files right from your phone. See the mobile screen as I export these pages into images and lock the content visually. On UPDF Mobile, the first PDF conversion tools, you'll click that, then tap on the Tools option at the bottom and tap on the PDF to image option in the Converter section. Next, you'll need to import the PDF from your phone or cloud storage. Once imported, choose the image format and select the targeted location. After that, simply press the Continue option. This way, you'll see the image version of the PDF. So now that you've seen how each method works on Windows, Mac, and even on a mobile device, when you want something quick on your desktop or need batch processing, go with the Print as Image. If you prefer that people are able to view the file but not edit, copy, or print, choose the permissions passwords. And for documents with fillable forms, comments, or signatures that you want locked in, Flatten is usually the cleanest choice. And if you're okay with sharing a fixed image file instead of PDFs, Export Pages as Image works great as well. Match the method to your specific goal, and you will keep your final PDFs much more stable. That wraps up our walkthrough of 4 different ways that you can make your PDFs harder to edit by using UPDF to protect them. With these methods, you can lock down text, forms, comments, and pages. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile, to get started, click the link in the description and download UPDF to protect, convert, and manage your PDFs in one place. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and drop your questions and comments down below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss future PDF tips and tutorials from UPDF.